game. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back. We are here. We are actually going to be installing these 4th gen rear Aspec side skirts that we just got done repairing. If you guys saw that last video, we got right here, and we got our 4th gen here. So we're going to be removing the rear bumper. I'm going to show you guys how to do all that, and then so you already got the front one. Now we're doing the rear one, and then we just got to look for side skirts for her. But yeah, we're going to start by removing the bumper. And never did this on a 4th gen, so we'll I guess I'll show you guys as I get into it. Alright, so just watching the video on YouTube and looking around. Normally on 3rd gens we got screws here, but this one doesn't. So apparently this might be easier to take off than a 3rd gen. We just had to take off the screws here and the one holding this one up here, down in there. And then this clips on the bottom. And we should be able to pull this off, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take off the side clips, the screw holding the top, and then the clips on the bottom right here. And I'll let you guys know how far I get. Yeah, CJ here. It's been a minute. We actually haven't been vlogging, but for you guys, it's back-to-back videos. So that was it. We took off the clips, so there's only 2, 3 here, and should be able to pull this right off. I'll pull it off, and then I'll show you guys after. He might be here tomorrow. He works like night shifts or something.
Oh yeah, he's like me now. Jose not outside no more.
So easy. And I guess there's 2 clips in here. 2 sensors. Oh no, there's your lights for your license plate. Holy shit. That's tight. So you know they'll never be taken off. Alright.
Just like that.
So we got this off. There should be markings in here. Yep, here's one already right here. We're gonna drill out all these markings. Put the light on. All these markings. There should be about 5 of them, I believe. There's another one right there. Hard to see, but I'm gonna drill them out and then I'll show you guys right after. Found it. There's actually 6 holes, 5 zip ties. 1 is for a mounting screw. I'll show you guys after, but yeah, 1, 2, you can see it now, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are zip ties. These are all zip ties, and that's just a mounting hole. So now I'll find the correct drill bit and drill these out, and then we are going to be ready to put the lip on very soon. All right, started with a little one, drilled out each hole just in the center, and we're going to now move on to a bigger one. You can see holes are drilled out. Next we are gonna clean or just wipe down this surface on this side with some degreaser, and then we'll get ready to mount it. All right now we are just test fitting it. Look at the zip ties all in. This is not OEM ones, these are just what I made. Got the hole up here, and they made me drill this hole out. I got this second hand, so they might have had a bracket they broke and they probably repaired it, and because this don't lead to nothing. But as you can see, this bracket, how it gives the space, so I was assumed that at one point there was a bracket here and they just broke it off. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and now pull off the tape, stick this on, and get this hard mounted. Ooh, Chance is here. Chance is here. Chance is here. Hey. The start, you can see. So we'll pull it off and start pressing it down. This is, as you see in my last video, we are made shift these, so I'm using a washer and the end of the zip tie, and that's how I'm doing it. These are not OEM clips, so that's why it's like this, as you're wondering. But yeah, next we're gonna remove this and slowly add pressure and get this down. Tape, cut these down, added the 10 mil on that bracket. I'm gonna tighten this down and now move to the other side. Everything is fully on. Pretty good. Looks gonna be the best I could get it. I'm gonna tell you guys more about that, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this on and see the difference. Bolted down yet, but just by looking at it, it looks so much better. Before I get it more outside, but next she just needs the side skirts, but this goes well with the front lip.
If you want me, let me know it. Stop acting and just show it. I just want to know, baby, are you with me? You got your
It's not done. He's telling you the side skirts.
Fuck acura mechanic. We got CJ.
Nope. All this shit.
Excuse me, don't go away. I don't want cookies.
Hello? Remember you were yesterday. Hello?
I think she was all confused.
Look at the Mopar wheels. We got the Charger wheels, man.
Dodge Journey wheels.
Well, have you seen Baller 10 fell off?
This is for Baller Tim.
Budget 10.
Budget Tim.
Did you get the video of CJ in his car, his Honda? Oh, he really fell off.
CJ, he's in a standstill for like 2 years. Yeah. We got the not Type S. We got the Aspec rear lip on for the 4th gens, and it looks great. A lot of people don't like the little single look. They like the full look, but I kind of like the simpler 12 to 14 year versus the 09 to 11, which it has the bigger lip. This one just seems more classy to me. But yeah, we just need to get the side skirts and source those out and get those on. But yeah, it looks good. We got TJ's here. We're gonna park it next to each other because technically they're like the same color, so we'll actually park next to each other and see that. But yeah, so a few things we gotta do on hers is just the side skirts, and we are probably gonna repaint the bumper because the last owner looked like they put an aftermarket bumper but did not spray paint it good. So that's one thing we got to do. Right there. Oh yeah, that's good. Look at me. 3rd gen, 4th gen, same colors. Okay. On stock wheels.
It's like the Pokemon, you know how they come into a new monster?
Evolve. Rear lip installed. What do you got to say? We're gonna see if you're gonna do it. Yeah, we're just doing nothing now. Just in case, we're gonna close up. So that was a 4th gen Acura TL rear lip install. Hope you guys like that for 4th gen content. If you want to see more 4th gen content, just comment below that you want to see it, or else I wouldn't really post it. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and peace.